We rode all day, across winding roads, through misty mountains, just for an hour on Ba Be Lake. But was it worth it? Ba Be Lake lies within Bac Kạn province. The lake is actually part of the Ba Be National Park, a place of rich biodiversity, ancient legends, and home to several ethnic minority groups who've lived here for generations. And this is where our story begins. Ba Be Lake sits between Giang and Cao Bang. It's about 800 kilometers from Hanoi, so it's not a day trip destination. We've been riding with our easy riders for almost a week now. First, conquering the Giang loop, then the Cao Bang loop. We thought, why not add an extra night to our journey and see what all the hype is about? You can check out our earlier videos if you're planning your own adventure. Today we are leaving Cao Bang City and heading to Ba Be Lake. Ba Be Lake is about 130 kilometers away from Cao Bang. It's a long drive there, and a wet one too. Cao Bang is one of the biggest cities up north, but sadly, we didn't have time to explore it. It's cold and wet, but hopefully no fog. We're looking at about 7 hours on the bike, and our butts are already sore from the past few days. But let's just do it! The drive is absolutely beautiful though. Twisting mountain roads, endless green valleys, misty mountains. Pure Vietnam magic. This cafe is just by Gio Pass, and you can grab a hot tea, chill by the fire, and check out the adorable displays of local costumes and handmade crafts. Step outside and you'll find some really pretty lanterns waiting for you. Gio Pass sits around 800 meters above sea level, connecting Bac Kạn and Cao Bang provinces. It's chilly up here, but the view is certainly worth it. Finally, we reached Pak Noi village, which is right next to Ba Be Lake. Pak Noi is home to the Thai people, one of Vietnam's ethnic groups. Here, you'll find over 40 traditional stilt houses, still beautifully preserved. Agriculture, fishing, and handicrafts are still a part of daily life. Okay guys, so we have arrived at our homestay for tonight, and I'll show you guys. This is the hallway of the homestay, the different rooms, and once we have there's windows here, and you can see other people. So then we have 3 beds, as you guys can see, and that's it. On the bed, they give towel, pillow, and blanket. Very simple. There's no toilet in here because it's actually a shared toilet, which is kind of. But I think the view makes up for everything. You can see people farming here. You can see the river over there. You can see the mountains, the back. There's a quiet beauty here. Life feels simple and peaceful. Hi guys, we're on a boat on the river, and we're like the only tourists here, literally. Which is so great. We have the boat all to ourselves. And the view is so nice. This reminds me of like Thailand boat, like the long-tail boat. It's just with engine, you know. The view is really nice too. The only difference is that Thailand is hot and this is cold. Whoa, out in the open ocean. So cool. Oh my god, it's like going sideways. The trick of muscles. The name Ba Be actually means 3 lakes in the Thai language. Ba Be Lake is Vietnam's largest natural freshwater lake, formed around 200 million years ago. It's a stunning mix of karst mountains, limestone cliffs, and dense forests. It stretches over 8 kilometers long and covers around 500 hectares. Truly a natural wonder. It's heartbreaking to see plastic floating in such a beautiful place. Protecting the place is crucial for the ecosystem and future generations too. It's so still here. No hordes of tourists, just a few fishermen and birds. With more time, you could explore caves, waterfalls, temples, or even trek through the jungle. So, was it worth it? 1 hour on Ba Be Lake after a whole day riding through rain, fog, and cold? Absolutely! It's the kind of beauty you can't rush, and we're so glad we didn't miss it. Facing the lake is this traditional Thai house, simple, open, and full of quiet charm. But today, with winter still hanging around, we're trying to keep a straight face and controlling our shivering. Dinner was a vegetarian feast with all fresh ingredients from the lake and farm. The host kept telling us, "Eat more, eat more." There was so much food we could not finish. Morning came with a surprise. Pancakes! Probably the best we've ever had. Just what we need to warm up and fuel us for another chilly adventure. Guys, we're having pancake for breakfast and we are eating it with banana. So just take one. After breakfast, we hit the road again. This time towards Duja in Hajang, located about 180 kilometers northeast of Ba Be Lake. The drive may be long, but is anything but boring. From here, you can see Davi, a small quiet town by a big lake. There are winding roads that lead down the slopes all the way to this town. Our guide told us that's where we're headed next. And we're looking at the landscape. We feel so excited about the next part of our ride. Hello there! These kids look just as curious about us as we are about them. Our first roadblock. Luckily, our drivers came prepared with mini apples to save the day. The road out is under renovation, and honestly, it's brutal. So unless you're experienced, check the road conditions before riding here. We've been been stuck here for nearly an hour. But honestly, with views like this, who's counting? It's like nature hit the pause button so we could admire her a little longer. Next stop, Giang. But that's another story for another video, so do check that out. Till we bring you travel again. Bye!